Na they started with 6 butters, no? Ayan, so far, parang gamit na naman na, lalo na dito sa ating second contestant. Ayan, dalawa na lang ang kanyang natitirang
It's better with butter. Ayan talaga. Ayan, the more the better yan. Mas malasa. Walang diet pag butter ang ginamit. Pero yung lasa talaga of superior quality talaga yan.
Sir Nick, mayroon akong question para sa'yo. Naku-curious ako eh. Of course, kanina ka pa nag-voice over, of course, ng mga stuff about San Miguel and Magnolia products.
Okay.
So parang kilala mo bawat isang produkto.
I've been with the company for 20 years.
Ay, wow! 2
matagal na.
decades.
2 decades na. So talagang and ito nga mga kaibigan natin from the Culinary Center. So talagang lahat yan, na-explain na yung difference nila from what's the base, what happens when you add it with another, kung gusto mo lang mas papalaki